Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a credit card on OnlyFans step by step. First, open the OnlyFans app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you have not logged in yet, you can just sign in using the same method you used when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. From the menu, look for the option called Your Cards, then tap on it. This will open the payment cards screen. By default, you will be on the Your Cards tab. At the top, you will see the wallet credit balance in dollars, and below that there are Add a payment card button, and further down there is two sections, Your Card section and latest transaction. You will see the info if you already have them. Now in order to add a card, you have two ways. The first way is to simply tap on the Add a payment card, or the second way is to tap on the card icon located at the top right corner or at the right side of the Your Card section, where both options open the same Add Card page. On the Add Card screen, you will need to fill in two sections. First, in the billing details, here enter your country, state, address, city and zip code exactly as required. Next is the card details section. Enter your credit card number, expiration date and CVC code. After filling in all the details, make sure to tick the confirmation box to confirm that you are at least 18 years old. Once everything looks correct, tap on submit and the OnlyFans will now verify your card details. If verification is successful, you can see a confirmation message and you will be redirected back to the payment card screen. Then you will see your newly added card listed under the Your Card section, and that's it. You have successfully added a credit card on OnlyFans. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.